Good morning to everyone. I hope everyone's doing well. My name's Mary. I'm an artist in Tennessee. And if you like my work, feel free to purchase it. Email me and tell me which one you're wanting. Tilla.jane.art@gmail.com. And you pay the invoice. I send you an invoice, secured payment platform, and I send you the artwork. Currently, I haven't been on in a while because it's been a real stressful couple of weeks. Moved into kind of a studio type apartment, which is great. A lot of light on one side. There's just windows on one side. There's none on the other, but gives me a lot of light. This is number 4 that I started before, moving and, taking everything to another location. And it's Jesus Palm Sunday. I was hoping to have these kind of wrapped up, but life always takes us in a different, route. But back to reflecting, I like to come on and bring kind of inspiration, enlightened message. And I do hope I'm helping somebody somewhere, somehow. But when you get a chance, read 1 Corinthians 11:28, Lamentations 3:40, and Proverbs 14:8. He holds me up, and he's been holding me up for a long time, before I was aware, and of course now that I am aware, and I'm so grateful for that. I look a little peaked because I haven't been getting a whole lot of sleep. New area, different place, getting the animals situated, which has been a chore, but I'm getting there. I do miss my counter I had at the other place, but I'm gonna make me a little makeshift area where I can get my artwork done. But regarding self-worth and self-love, it's not ego, it's not arrogancy. It is you loving yourself. So many people don't love themselves, and I used to be one. And I do love myself, and I do know my self-worth. And it took me a while to get there, but he helped me every step of the way, and he still helps me. So take time to do that. Examine your flaws, examine your pros, examine your cons, and walk differently, speak differently. Not in a actor or actress type way, but by the word. And you will start to see changes, little by little, really good changes. Finally going to be able to work on the big easel, which I'm excited about. I'm going to work on him, and I'm going to create a new one on that big one right there. But I hope everybody has a great day, and I hope my messages help someone, somewhere, somehow. And if you like artwork, just let me know.